If you want to set up the screen lock password on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, then in that case you want to go to Settings. Next, over here we're gonna scroll down and we need to find fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. After that, we can go ahead and tap on the screen lock option, and you can choose if you want to have a pattern, pin code, or password. In my case, I'm gonna set up an easy pattern. In your case, you probably want to set something more complicated, but also something that you will remember, of course. So you need to keep in mind that you need to remember your password, because otherwise you will lose access to the phone. So enter your password that you want to use on your phone. You need to enter it twice and then confirm. You might also have an option to immediately add the fingerprint after that. So if you want to, you can scan your finger and add the fingerprint, but if not, then you can just simply cancel that for now. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.